Isn't this a pretty colored little spider? Grosses me out. I don't know what it is. Ugh. I don't know whether to be interested by it or terrified of it. Right here on my deck. Oh my gosh. Anyway. I'm out here trying to get a quick couple of things done. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this pretty quick because I don't want to disturb the bird nest or the birds very much. I mixed up some of this fish fertilizer. I'm going to put it, because some of my plants don't look so good. But look, I have daylilies growing from a friend, a young lady at work that picked some. And then these were a couple that I picked at the place where I went mushroom hunting at and I go driving at. Along that area in the side of the road, I picked a couple. And look, they're getting ready to bloom too. I'm so excited. And then this is one of those purple pokeberry, chokeberry, those berries that are poisonous. So big it grew right up here and it's grown through my porch. I have got to get a handle on all these weeds. Oh, but it's cooled down. We had either extremely hot weather or extremely wet weather. And so I'm way behind out here. But anyways, okay. So I've mixed up my fish emulsion water. And I wanted to show you. I have strawberries. Oh, my poor old phone. I have quite a few strawberries trying to come. These marigolds are humongous. I didn't know they were going to be that big. The kale's getting a little droopy. I've had water, I've had rain for days and days. So I think that they're just in need of some nutrition. Sage, so many strawberries. Lavender. Quick look at the little birds. Oh, Mom's here. I'm going to move away for a minute. See the babies? I thought they were dead a couple of times, but they're still alive. They always hide when it's me. I don't come out here very much, but they seem to hide when it's me. Look at this. Yes. Cilantro bolted. Just like immediately bolted because we had real hot weather right after I planted it. I don't know what this is coming up out of the lettuce. Lettuce is doing great. Look at this. Sorry about the lighting. The sun is going down, so I've got either deep shade or bright light. So, because of the birds, I haven't been out here much. So let's see what's going on over here. Looks like everything's trying to bolt, huh? Spinach. I've never seen spinach grow to seed. Okay, and that's what it's working on doing apparently. I have squash flowers down there. My collards are looking good. I should have planted more over here because what I planted over on the other side is not doing well. More shadow. Anyway, strawberries are looking real good. So I bought a little water can with a tiny spout, and then that way I can water this stuff without watering the bird nest. So I'm going to hurry up and get busy so she can come back to feeding her babies.